Well, hey everybody. I was just in the process of making a video, getting off the lake, when I realized that there is a lake back here that I've never seen before. So, we're going to take some time and go find out what's in here. So, here we go, Hidden Lake on Island City Fishing. So yeah, like I said earlier, I was filming another video. Trying to do a Father's Day video and just fish aren't cooperating size-wise. So I had to... Here we go. Oh yeah, there's fish in here. Oh, nice. Oh, this was a nice one. Told you these little ponds got big fish in them. Little pond, big fish. There we go. Oh, nice fish. Look at that guy. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Yeah. Let's get a weight on him. 315. 3-pounder. Out of a little tiny lake. Beautiful. Look at that guy. In his little tiny lake. Got nice colors. Kind of fat. I love them. Let's get a good release. Oh, there he goes. Here we go. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh. Not the king of the lake, but definitely nice one. Let's get a weight on him. 249, 2.5. 2.5. Big fatty. Big fatty. Look. Yeah. Now if he goes. Well, hey everybody. I was just in the process of making a video, getting off the lake,